Hello, welcome. Today let us have a class on equation of a straight line. One problem let me solve for you. The problem is ABCD is a parallelogram where ABCD, A in terms of x and y given, the coordinates of B 5, 8, C 4, 7 and D 2, -4 are given to us. Find the coordinates of A. It is given in terms of xy. We have to find the coordinates of A. That means the values of x and y we have to find, and the equation of the diagonal BD. Okay, so let me draw the figure ABCD parallelogram first so that we'll understand better. These type of questions when given, we have to draw the figure, otherwise we won't understand anything. Okay. Let me write A, B, this is C, D. Coordinates of A are given as xy. Coordinates of B are given 5, 8. Coordinates of C are given 4, 7. And coordinates of D are given as 2, -4. If it is so, we have to find the coordinates of A. So, and also it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. You know that in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So, when the diagonals bisect each other means, let us join BD and AC. BD, one diagonal, AC, another diagonal. Let these diagonals meet at O. Okay? Meet at O. And you know that in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So BD, OD is equal to OB. OA is equal to OC. That means the midpoint of BD is equal to midpoint of AC. As we know the coordinates of B and D, we can find the midpoint of BD. That gives you the coordinates of O. And O is also the midpoint of AC. Coordinates of C are known to us. Coordinates of the midpoint we are going to get. So, by using midpoint formula, we can find the values of x and y. So, let us work out for the coordinates of A first. The solution is ABCD is a parallelogram. So the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O, and OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Because that is the parallelogram, OA will be equal to OC, OB is equal to OD. Because in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. They intersect at O and O given. Okay. Now let us find O is the midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, O is equal to, you know the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to, for the x coordinate, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So BD or DB anyway we can write. If you take this as x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y1. Whether x1, y1, x2, y2 or x3, y3, x4, y4. Sum of the x coordinates by 2 gives you the x coordinate of the midpoint. Sum of the y coordinates by 2 gives you the y coordinate of the midpoint. So coordinates of O are 2 plus 5 by 2. And -4 plus 8 by 2. 2 plus 5 is 7 by 2. 8 minus 4 is 4 by 2. That means 4 by 2 is 7 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So the coordinates of O we got. The coordinates of O are 7 by 2 and 2. Okay. Let me clear here. Okay. O is also the midpoint of AC. O is also the midpoint of AC. So this implies, let me write x plus 4 by 2, x plus 4 by 2 and y plus 7 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and 2. If you keep 4 by 2 also no problem because 2's are there. Okay, let it be. That means x plus 4 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Y plus 7 by 2 is equal to 2. This implies x plus 4 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. That implies x plus 4 is 7 or x is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. So the x coordinate we got 3. Let us work out for y coordinate. That is y plus 7 by 2 is equal to 2 or y plus 7 is equal to 4 or y is equal to 4 minus 7 or y is equal to minus 3. So we got the value of x as 3 and the value of y as minus 3 and the coordinates of A are x, y. So therefore A is equal to xy given. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 3. That is what our first bit. Find the coordinates of A that we got as 3 minus 3. Okay. So with this we have completed first bit. Now let us work out for the second bit. That is the equation of the diagonal BD. The equation of the diagonal BD we have to find out. We have already learned the three forms of finding the equation of a line. One is slope-intercept form, other one is point slope form, other one is 2-point form. So here the coordinates of 2 points are known to us. So by using 2-point form of finding the equation of a line, let us find equation of BD. Okay? So let us work out to do the equation of BD. If we take x1, y1 like that, it will be easy for us. B is equal to 5 let us take as x1, y1 and D is equal to 2 minus 4. Let us take as x2, y2. And you know the 2-point formula of finding the equation of line. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Now just simply x1, y1 values, x2, y2 values, if we substitute in this equation, we will be able to get the equation of line BD because B, the coordinates of B and the coordinates of D we are using. So let me clear this and do that. Let me substitute the values. y2 equal to minus 4, y1 equal to 8, x2 equal to 2, minus x1 equal to 5, equal to y minus y1 equal to 8, x minus x1 is equal to 5. So minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12, by 2 minus 5 is minus 3, is equal to y minus 8 by x minus 5. Minus minus cancel, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. By cross multiplication we get 4x minus 20 is equal to y minus 8 or 4x minus y minus 20. If this minus 8 comes this side, plus 8 is equal to 0 or 4x minus y minus 12 equal to 0 is the required equation of BD. Is the required equation of the diagonal BD. I hope this is clear to you. So 2 bits. One, to find the coordinates of A, we got it 3 minus 3. Other one, the equation of BD. So we have used the coordinates of B and D and found the equation of BD. Thank you.